Welcome to this stormy review or overview, first impressions, whatever the hell you want to call it, of the Yeezy 500 Stone Taupe. I think it's Taupe. You can correct me in the comments. Obviously, I haven't done a lot of research on this shoe. Fresh off the UPS truck, I ordered this through Extra Butter. They had a sale going on where you get like 25% off of stuff, and basically it was a deal I couldn't refuse. I've also wanted this colorway for the longest of time, so just found it to be the best opportunity to finally get it. So comes in the original box. That's cool. You get a thank you card, it looks like. Thank you card. Sorry, my stomach's rumbling. I am really hungry. Thank you card. What's it got in here? Receipt. All right, packing slip. Cool. And and a little decal. It looks like. So there's your Extra Butter New York experience right there. And the customer service at Extra Butter, they've been really cool. I had no issues at all getting what I needed. Let me go ahead and start my secondary camera. This time I got a foot cam for doing comparisons and whatnot. So packing paper, give you all the close-up. Yeah, so you got all the suede on there, a lot of stitching, a ton of stitching. Stitching everywhere possible. It looks like the 3M. Very soft up here. Feels pretty plush on the inside as well. Feels like a nice blanket. Adidas Adiprene non-marking, same as my 500 tactical boots. Let me go ahead and grab one of those too. All right, these are both left shoes. Better comparison. So yeah, the soles are pretty damn near exactly the same, which is reassuring. So that means sizing shouldn't be an issue, right? Yeah, this is nice. I like these. I really do like these. Let's go ahead and put them on. See if I gotta resell or try to give them away to a family member again. Hopefully not. I don't think I'm gonna have an issue with sizing with these, but yeah, let's just hope and pray. So compared to the 500s, it is a bit more snug in this area, but it's so plush that I'm not too concerned about it whatsoever. Let's put on the other one. Yep, still paper in there. Like the 500 highs don't have as much material around the around your bones up there. But these definitely do. And I feel like it's because of the infinity lace design. Usually shoes with infinity laces will overall just squeeze you a bit tighter. Oh yeah. I like this. All right, so swapping over to the foot cam. As you can see, honestly doesn't go too bad with this outfit. I mean, it works, but I telling you, I got better outfits for this. I've been planning this for a minute. Dude, not bad. Not bad at all. My toe is right up there. But it's not uncomfortable. More comfortable than the minivans. I honestly think the minivans, I should have sized up about a half a size up maybe. But they've been stretching out okay. These, I'm not concerned about whatsoever. It's tight, but it's so comfy in there that it's not like your bones are resting on a brick wall like the 450s or even like the minivans when I first got them. These are just nice and plush. You know, your foot's still going to be comfortable. So you go true to size go true to size if you don't mind a snug fit, because it's not going to kill you. But if you want the extra room, then go half a size up. it's whatever. There's enough cushion in here to where you shouldn't have a lot of heel movement or foot movement or whatever. I tell you what, compared to those Quantums, my heels are locked in there. There's no heel slippage whatsoever. Yeah, they're just like lighter 500 highs, basically. But like I said, the 500 highs, I've had a lot more experience with those than, these are my first regular 500s, I guess. And yeah, so far I'm loving them. They're definitely chunky. They're definitely chunky. I think overall, the design of the 500 highs is just better, I guess, especially like right here where the infinity laces are. That's going to take some getting used to, but I mean, I'm not complaining too much. I'm really not. I like the colorway. I think it's going to go good with a couple of outfits. It's comfy, it's snug, but I mean, like, and I can feel that arc support too. Arc support with my feet is super important. I can feel it here. I don't think I'm gonna have any issues with that area. Yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. Let's throw on the 500 highs right next to them. Get a comparison with the foot cam. Yeah, the 500 highs have so much more room in that in the front of your toes area, front of your feet. But same exact, it's so strange because same exact sole. But I mean, yeah, the upper is just completely different. All right, so here's the foot cam, putting them next to each other. So, yeah, they're exactly the same. Toe, yeah, you can, yeah, so the 500 high is just a little bit longer. A couple centimeters longer. But it's also way more simplified upper right here. So, yeah, it feels like I got more room there. Does it feel like I got more room there, or does it just feel like there's not as much stuff up there? This upper right here, there's a lot of stuff going on, okay? But it feels nice. But the 500 highs, there's not a lot of stuff going on, and you can feel that around your foot, and it still feels nice. Okay, so dang, I really don't know what to say about it, but yeah, here's your comparison shots or whatever. I'm happy with these. I think they're going to go great with a lot of stuff. I've said that like 3 times. That means it's time to end the video. Thanks for watching as always, y'all. More soon. Got the Yeezy Slide Onyx from the latest drop coming up. And yeah, can't wait to get those in hand again, because I sold my first pair and I've been regretting it ever since. But thanks for watching as always. More soon.